I'm Pamela D Wilson. I'm a caregiving expert and advocate with 25 years of experience working with aging adults and their caregivers. I have been using and testing Bay alarms all in one tube device everywhere I go. Let's take a look at the device and two optional accessories. It comes with a lanyard that you can clip into the clip on the all-in-one tube device like that, and you can wear it around your neck. You could also decide whether to use the alternate call button that you can place in a watch band to wear around your wrist, or there is another necklace pendant that you can place the call button in to wear it around your neck. The all-in-one device features GPS and Wi-Fi tracking to allow more accurate and location tracking so that if you need to be located while you are out and about or even in your home. The online app that you can log into and you can also give caregivers access shows your device, so you will see my black all-in-one device. There is also a caregiver tracking app on here. So let's say that you go out alone on a hike, or you decide to go on a bike ride out in the woods, and you want somebody to know where you are. You give your caregiver access to your account and to the app. They can look and see where you are at any given moment. This will allow you to be located wherever you are. And you'll have the confidence that if something happens, somebody will know exactly where you are and be able to send help when you press that call button.